In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open online Monzo Bank business account. If you've started the application and things didn't go exactly as planned, don't worry. This walkthrough shows you how to get back on track, respond to messages from the bank, and move your application forward smoothly. First, check your email and the message inside the banking app. That's where you'll see updates about your application, including any requests for more information. Make sure notifications are enabled on your phone and take a quick look in your spam or junk folder just in case. If the app needs an update, do that before you proceed so you see the latest prompts. The message usually explains what happened and what to do next. Next, carefully review the reason they've given if your application was paused or declined. Read the explanation line by line. Common issues include mismatched business details, unsupported business types, or verification that couldn't be completed because something was unclear. Compare what you submitted with your official records. Check your business name, registered address, trading address, and the details of directors or people with significant control. Consistency across documents is key to passing checks quickly. If anything is unclear, contact support through the in-app chat or the help section on their website. Keep your message short and specific. Explain what message you received and politely ask what additional information would resolve it. Have your business details handy, but only share documents through the official channels they provide. If they mention a particular requirement, ask for examples of acceptable documents so you don't have to resubmit multiple times. If you're asked for extra documents, prepare clear, readable copies. Use well-lit photos or PDFs with no glare. Make sure all four corners are visible, and avoid heavy editing. Typical items might include a government-issued photo ID, proof of address, proof of business activity, or company registration documents. Double-check that names and addresses match across everything you send. Submit only what they request and do it through the app or the secure upload link they provide. Finally, wait for review. Processing times vary depending on volume and the type of checks needed, so give it a bit of time. Keep an eye on your notifications and try not to resend the same files unless support asks you to. If they need anything else, they'll reach out. Once approved, you'll be guided to finish setup in the app so you can start using your business account. And if they decide not to proceed, the message will usually explain what that means and whether you can try again later. Stay patient, respond promptly, and you'll give your application the best chance of success.